it's Kimberly Keller. Long time no see. I know, at least one pandemic ago. This is so exciting. Guess what I want to show you today? I want to show you how to make something. And I'm going to do it right here in front of you on my little trusty table. It's been a long time. Did I tell you that I teach now? I do. I have middle schoolers, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, all at the same time in the beautiful town of Florence, Texas. It is Florence, Texas. And I'm so excited to show you how to make a magic wand. A magic wand. And guess what? I borrowed from my neighbor. Yes, I borrowed a sorting hat. Look at this. Oh my gosh, a sorting hat. Just so I could tell you all about it. So we're going to make some wands today. And here are some of my maids' ones. And zippity zappity zippity zoo. Cute, huh? Now these, this one is for big spells. And our homework's all done. And it's ready to go. Well, let's get busy. This is what you're going to need. Are you ready? I know you are. You're going to need some kind of stick. Now, after the storm last night, you might find lots of sticks and you could trim them all up, or you could just get a bamboo skewer. And we're not going to skewer anything, but we are going to use hot glue. So we will need hot glue and a little cup of water to get our hot glue from being hot so it doesn't burn your fingers. Ooh, be careful. This is a big deal. Burned fingers hurt. Don't do it. And you'll need some string. I've got floss, not floss, but you could use floss. Any of these things could be changed. You know, that's how kind we do it, don't we? I'm going to get this out of the way. So you'll need a pair of scissors. And you'll need some tin foil or wax paper or something like it. Now I'm going to go ahead and fold it into a nice little triangle. A square. Square. I don't teach math. Let's remember that today. And then I'm going to need paint and all that. That's over here. Okay. So here's how it goes. Now, you're going to get a glue gun. A glue gun. I use just this little snappy glue gun like this, and get a glue stick or two. I might have forgot a glue stick, and I don't have a friend to help me out. I sure do miss my Miss Beth. Remember that? That was almost so much fun. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to put hot glue on this stick. And each time we do it, we're going to dip it in the water, and then we kind of mold it with our fingers, and we're going to make all of these beautiful little twirly, swirly things all over it. Yes. Now these were made out of dowels, and if you didn't have 160 something kids, you could go buy this. But, you know, teacher salary and all, we're going to use skewers. It's exciting. But if you got the bigger dowel for the big situations, then you could use those. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to slippity-doppity-do over and get another glue stick because I forgot. You know that happens. I've smelled a lot of paint. So just hold on real tight and be real fast. On your mark, can you count? 6, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so here we go. So I've got my extra glue sticks. I've got my glue gun. Now the first thing, should I bend that down a little? I think I should. Let's bend that down. Okay, here we go. All right, so the first thing I want to do is build a little puddle of glue. So I'm going to build this puddle of glue. Do you see me build a puddle of glue? Oops, wrong end. I'm going to stick this end inside. Ooh, I'm out of glue. And I'm going to hold it. It would work great if you had a friend. I have friends. They're all teaching something. But then I put in my next glue stick. And here all I'm going to do is travel from, I don't know, 2 inches above. I'm going to try to use just one glue stick per wand. You know, that would be best. And I'm going to go up here because, once again, Texas teachers, you know what I'm talking about. All right, so it's kind of good like this. I can work on it some more. I'm going to put it inside my cup of water and get it wet. Get it kind of wet, kind of tilting it. Might have to get me a bigger cup. You know, we always do this thing called What Did You Learn? And so this would be something that we learn right here. Ooh, I like that. Did you see that? That made some cool stuff. Now I'm going to peel it off. Okay. Peel it off. Kind of manipulate it with your fingers. Be careful because this is, you know, when it could be hot. Right now up in here it would be hot. So then I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to put a little more. Not too much. You know, remember, I'm paying attention to how much glue I'm using. So, oh, look at that. Now, stick that whole little thing. Just tip it in there, get it all cool. And I have to be cold water. That's just from the tap. I could either trim that little thing off or I could love on it. I think I'm just going to love it. I'm not going to worry yet. Whoop! There it goes. That's fine. Now, the next thing we're going to do is get us some string. Okay? I'll get you some string. And I'm going to start right up here at the top. I'm letting this hang out. And I wrap it a couple of times. And I'm going to wrap it down in a spiral. Can you see it spiral? Because that's going to help me. Should you be in a hurry, Miss Keller? No. But there's a lot of reasons I'm in a hurry. I have another class coming in just a few minutes and I have to get somewhere. So, but I'm going to just close it all off at the end. Done. Done skis. Make a little snip. Pass the scissors to the neighbor. Wait for that glue gun to come back. Grab that glue gun. Glue this down just a little bit. Ooh, I got a little bubble. I know, isn't it pretty? Because what we're going to do then, do you see that fly? He's bugging me. Get away from me. Is go right along here all the way around, and we're going to make little things all the way around, little bumps maybe, or you could draw it all the way across, and we're just going to put a little bit of glue on each one of those little strings. The reason I'm putting it on that string, isn't that cool? I'm putting that on that string on purpose. It kind of gives me a guideline, you know, a guide. I could put some more down in here. I could make it straight. I can make some more little knobs. Ooh, this wand has lots of character. This wand has lots of character. All right, so when it's cool and all dry and ready to go, I'm going to lay that down. I've got one ready for us. And then I go ahead and I paint it. Whatever color you want to paint it. I use acrylic paint. You're going to use acrylic paint if you're working with me. We're going to make it. We're going to paint it all yellow. Black. And then here is the excitement. You can use other colors. Let's stick that in there. And you could use other colors and you put this on. Look at this. Are you just beside yourself? I am. What if we use silver and gold? What if we glistened it up a little bit with some glitter? And we would make some of the most beautiful pieces. I am so excited about doing this. Did you hear that bell? That means my next class is coming in. I know, they cannot wait. All right, so we'll put this here. Put a little more. Oh my goodness, look. Now, you could use a brush. I'm not worried about getting my fingers dirty. Never have been, never will be. And oh yeah, remember, glitter only sticks to the stuff that is wet. So then I got my little glitter bucket and I put some of this on. Oh, this one's gonna be my favorite one. Big shout out to my grandson who is 1 today. Love him. Hey, Paxton. And there is your magic wand. Skippity dippledy dippity doo. I'm so excited for you to come and make some with me soon. Have a great day. Happy Halloween. If you don't want to do a Harry Potter wand, make it into a pointer. Your Sunday school teacher would love it. She could point at whatever it was she wanted you to see. There's so many wonderful things. Y'all have a fabulous day. I'm so excited to see you again.